How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now tap on the settings option on the bottom right of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the chats option you see there. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for transfer chat history. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on the transfer to Android option you see there if you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats to an Android device. Now, in this particular interface, your chat history will be starting to prepare. So wait for the chat history transfer to prepare. And once prepared, you will be required to scan the QR code to connect the phones. So go ahead and scan the QR code shown on the iPhone by your Android phone. And once you scan the QR code, the process for transferring the chat will begin. So wait for the process to complete and make sure to keep both the phones together when the transfer is being processed. Once the transfer is completed, you will be able to view the chat in your Android phone. So this was about how you can transfer chat history from iPhone to Android. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.